All right, real quick in the garage. This is the passenger side. Notice it's yellow. You walk over here to the driver's side. Notice it's white. See that? It went out. Let me just unlock the car again. All right, see? Bright white. Nasty factory yellow. So, today I'm going to show you how to change these. Let's wait for it to go out so you see how it looks and out it goes. Okay, so all you need for this is star point and the T10 bulbs that you're going to use. I bought these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Kind of sunny out here, so I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'll put a link in the description. But before we start this, disclaimer, if you screw your mirror up, you screw up your car, your electrical system, anything, that's on you. I was confident doing this. Obviously, I did the other side. I didn't have any problems. So again, I'm not responsible if you somehow damage your mirror or the wires behind it. But, you know, follow what I did and you should be okay. Now, let's go. So the first thing, now it's pretty sunny out here, so I'm not sure if you guys can see this properly, but, you know, I'll try my best. Just tilt it back this way, okay? Well, maybe not. I'm not sure if you can see. Hold on. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is tilt the mirror. I did it already from the inside. Tilt the mirror all the way up and all the way to the left. This is the passenger side, so all the way up, all the way to the left. When you do the driver's side, it will be all the way up, all the way to the right. Reason being, you want to be able to get a few fingers behind here and pull this forward like this, right? Now, it's going to feel like you're going to break it, but you're not going to break it. Just use common sense. You'll feel it, okay? So you'll feel like a pop. So watch me. I got about 3 fingers back there. Put the finger in the hole. Well, in the in the opening, that's what she said. But put the finger here, and then you just kind of pry forward, right? So once you start to move, get another finger in there. It's coming. There you go. Right? Now let me just move the camera so you can see. Hopefully you guys can see what's happening back there. Now there's a, well, let me remove it completely first. One more clip to go. All right, there we go. Now looking at this, this is what was behind here. You got the bigger clip right here, which was the top right there. Then you got these 4 little ones. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these 4 went right here. Just so you got an idea what you was pulling. The 4 I just showed you went right here, right into the outer part, and that long one went in right here. Okay. So now that let me drop my tripod down a little bit. I wish I could see how this is coming out. That should be okay. Okay, so, you know, you just let this hang off. We do not have to touch this. This is your mirror right here. Just leave that there. Now get your start point. All right, and there's 5 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to remove these 5. Okay. Now, this is a little bit too small, but I have my backup. Where is my backup? I just had it. There it goes. The bigger one. Been in there a while. You don't want to strip these. There we go. Okay. Oh, same thing. Damn it. I don't want to strip any of them, but let's try this one. This one looks good. Okay. One more here. Oh man. Okay, let's try this one. I think I should have a bigger okay, hold on. Let's try the little one, all of them now, since this is what I'll have to do. I wish I had a better one, but oops, dropped it. No scratches. I'm good. Where are we? Right here. Okay, we got them all out. So now this black trim that goes around the mirror, we're going to pull that forward towards yourself. Just trace around it, get it loose. And it just comes right out. See that? Comes right out. Just wiggle it. And because I don't want to leave it hanging on my car, I'm just going to take it out like that. Okay, simple tray. Now, where is the LED? Well, it's not an LED, but it will be. This thing right here. So you just slide it forward and turn the socket, and the bulb comes right out. If I could get a little grip on it. Hold on a second. Okay, you turn it, bulb came out. Well, took the socket off and just pulled this terrible halogen bulb out of there. Okay. And we're going to replace it with this one. Here is how it looks. Well, hold on. Hold on. There you go. Now I did buy these off of Amazon, and it's pretty bright. I replaced my trunk light with these, the door lights with them, and yeah, it works fine. Now just hit unlock on your key fob. Make sure that lights up. Okay, and it's on. Okay, I don't know if you could see it. See that? Now I'm going to lock it, and it went off. So we confirm it's working. The bulb is in there properly. Now you just put this back on, twist it, lock it in place. So back in there, turn it, locks in place. And you just slide that, hold on, slide it straight back in like that, the way it came out. Like, you can't miss it. Like, it's only one way it goes back in. Okay. Now we do the reverse motion. We put this one back on first, right? So let me move the camera back a little bit. Okay, so just wiggle this through. It went like that. Okay, and now just line it up. Line it back on up. Now you can see where the screws will go, so when you're actually looking at it, you'll be able to line it up properly. Just a little bit of patience and we'll get it. Now I want to say that feels good. It kind of looked good, but let me just check the back. You want to make sure it's sitting flush. And right here is not sitting flush, so let's take this back out. Make sure we have everywhere sitting flush. Now this is the hardest part. Well, this is the second hardest part. The first hardest part, we'll be putting this mirror back in, well, to line it up. But yeah, so we'll get this. This is not that hard. So let's see, we hold it. Now you don't want to force it, so I'm trying to make sure it's like perfectly in line there. And okay, now that feels good. There we go. Okay, that feels good. Now let's put the screws back in. Okay, there we go. Now hold it so you know it pulls while you're doing it. 1. Now, you know, crisscross, that way you don't make one side come out too much and make it harder to actually get it to line up. So, this one go right here. And finally, this one goes here. Now I'm going to start pulling. You know, you squeeze it together like that. Make sure these are sitting tight. So I just did that one. Now I'm going to do this. Get this out of the way. I'm going to do this bottom one. Now we tackle this one. And this one. Okay, that's all 5. I just double checking I caught them all. Okay, so now that that's back in place, just check under here to make sure that LED housing is where it's supposed to be, and I'm looking at it, it's right where it's supposed to be, so that's fine. It's lined up flush. Now you just put the mirror back in. Now, like I said, this is the hardest part because you have to get these 4 grooves to catch in here while you can't really see it. So what I did was, when you're actually looking at it from the top view, you'll be able to see it, but what I did was I caught the top first, And then you're going to hold the back and then press, bringing your back fingers forward and these two pushing backwards. Now, you're pretty much going around the whole mirror, catching it. And I actually think I caught this one better than the other one, but let's just make sure it's in place. Okay. Now, what you're going to do now is go in the car and, if your car is loaded like mine's, I'm not sure if all of them come this way, but when you put it in reverse, the mirrors will tilt. Make sure this one move in sync with the other side. All right, so hold on 1 second. Let me check that out. I guess it would have helped to turn the mirror to fix it back properly. So, like that. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so I just ran it through a series of, reverse, adjusting the mirrors manually, then hit the auto so it could correct it, and it went back perfect, no problems. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll take a video later on tonight so you guys can see how they look. But, yeah, that factory yellow is gone. It's now white, and that was an easy mod showing you guys how to do it. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one to do this, but I am the first one to put it on video. Now, I give credit to, I don't know his name, but I'll put his link in my description. I did find this do-it-yourself on the Lexus forum. I'm drawing a blank right now, but I did find his write-up on the forum. But again, I'm pretty sure I'm the first one to put this on video. But yep, stay tuned for some more tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and until next time, peace.